sorry it's really dark. It's because we're actually near 9 PM. It's a bit of a late one because we had such a busy day. We were in Milford Sound this morning, which was amazing. We even camped there actually. We camped in a pub car park and then Milford Sound. It was one extreme to the other. But it's Friday night, so we're having Fajita Friday. Super easy. It's just to show you yet another meal you can make in a campervan. So, peppers, yellow, red, onion. The reason I'm making a video on fajitas isn't because I think people don't know how to make fajitas. It's because it's just an idea, a suggestion for a one-pan meal. Because usually in your campervan you've only one pan, limited time, and a fajitas is a great go-to meal. Fry this up. Chicken. Got your chicken in there, got the peppers, got the onion, plenty olive oil. Now fajitas you can obviously make if you're vegetarian as well. Back in the day, before Darren, I used to like broccoli in my fajitas, and my sister introduced it to me. But Darren completely disapproves of broccoli in fajitas. It's not into fajita. Not into fajita diversity. So you could chuck in chickpeas, you could chuck in loads of any kind of vegetable, obviously, including broccoli, instead of chicken. Then you got your wee friend, Old El Paso. Wee pal, Old El Paso. Oh no, Old El Paso. Some people could argue that it's cheaper to buy like the parts individually, like buy the wraps. Get like the salsa sauce stuff in the kit, and obviously you get this stuff, this seasoning, the mix. It can be cheaper to buy individually, but when we were in the supermarket here in New Zealand, it was $4 just for the wraps, which was a bit crazy. And it was $5 for the entire kit, so we thought it made sense to just buy the kit because it was a special offer. So $5 for the whole kit is what, £2.50, which is really cheap compared to what Old El Paso usually is at home. We don't usually buy the whole kit at home. We'd usually buy it individually. But even though it's quite cheap here, this flavour was roasted capsicum and paprika. Capsicum is just pepper. I don't know why they gotta be fancy. Usually we like the barbecue flavour, so we just got barbecue sauce. It's real cooking for you. Inventive. Now it's starting to look like fajitas. The wee salsa pouch, just chuck that in as well. Some people may put this on their wraps. I've never done that before. I think it just makes sense to just chuck it in. Chuck it all in. Ta-da! That's your fajitas. We're waiting to put them in the wrap. Got some cheese. If you want to hear another Scottish person talk about fajitas, I suggest you listen to Kevin Bridges. So we had 2 fajitas each. They were not small in the slightest. And we still have all this left over. So although a meal maybe takes like 25 minutes or so, which sounds like a lot of gas, but it actually will do, can be reworked for tomorrow's lunch, tomorrow's dinner. Cheers to Fajita Friday!